We're at JFK and we're waiting to go to bed. We're doing our schoolwork. We have tests and stuff.
You won't see.
You gotta focus, hold on.
Man, you terrible with the camera work.
I am. Why is it not focused?
What do you?
So we're at Niagara Falls and it's snowy, not snowing as much, but yeah. What are your thoughts?
It's amazing. It's really cold out here.
Yeah.
I was wearing a tank top. I mean a crop top.
You keep
sorry.
saying a tank top. I have 2 crop tops on,
It's
y'all.
basically a tank top.
I got 2 crop tops on, y'all. Let me give y'all a view of the rushing Niagara Falls River.
I feel like you're on National Geographic.
I don't even know what I'm talking about for real. I think it's just the Niagara
view
Falls.
of the Niagara Falls.
Here it is.
Majestic.
There's Canada right over there. If you're Canadian, why y'all still got Christmas decorations up?
You should mind your business.
Because what is that? But yeah, we didn't get to the main part yet, but we're going up there soon. So we made it back from Niagara Falls. It was really cold, but it was really pretty. I wasn't expecting it to be that good at night, but Steven convinced me to go anyways. Cause why do we come all the way up here when we're this close to not see it? So yeah, we got a souvenir, which I will show y'all right now. Here's a scarf I made, by the way. So the lady wrapped it. I feel bad for unwrapping it, because then I won't be able to wrap it back.
You're fine.
I can do what the YouTubers do. Oh well, it's still in this thing. 1 second.
Taking it all the way out.
So yeah.
What we got going on today, Brianna?
So you know, we just got set up for the show or whatever.
Alright.
I mean these skirts, which you can't see them yet. Yeah. But this one, we had to add this one in. I made it work though. I added a little pink on the bottom.
Oh, why are you going with the designer secrets and shit?
Sorry. And then this is the last one, yeah. That's what we got going on today.
Oh, okay. How do you feel?
I feel excited, meeting everybody. The models look like they could all be my best friends. So if y'all are watching this, my Instagram.
She's lonely.
Now I think your boots stop like,
They stop like yelling right here.
so I feel like a little bit.
Okay.
And then this one, just like a mesh top. And then it has like,
That is fire.
so if this doesn't work,
Bro, it looks, that cardigan looks like there's literal flowers sprouting out
Thank
of it.
you.
Like, that's amazing. How long did it take you to make this?
So like the sets, I basically finish in a day for each.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
What?
I've been doing it for so long, so I work kind of fast now. And then this one, probably like 3 days, just because the puffer is a lot.
Wow.
Yeah. And this one, it has bigger yarn, so it was pretty fast. And then this one was the longest, because I made it a while ago, so.
That looks finely stitched.
It looks what?
Finely stitched.
Yeah, that's the smallest. Hey y'all, so update. It's been hours. We fitted my models, everything looks good. The show, as of right now, is gonna start in less than an hour. So yeah, my first fashion show, super excited. And yeah, we went to eat at the Flaming Fish, which is across from our hotel. It was amazing, tore everything up. And now we made it back here after a little break. And yeah, the show's gonna begin soon. So, bye.
Oh. Thoughts?
Okay. I like it. It's cute.
Yeah, that was fun.
So day 3 really just flew back from Buffalo to Atlanta. Here is the lobby of the hotel. I never got a chance to show y'all. But thank y'all so much for watching this video, and thank you University at Buffalo and the Black Students Association for hosting Black Explosion and showcasing my work and getting me out here for my first fashion show. It's definitely something I'll remember for the rest of my life, and I'm so grateful that I was able to do this year.